How to fix WhatsApp business images not downloading on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp business images not downloading on Android phone. First, just open settings and then go to storage here. Now click clean up and now click this one here. Just clean anything you want here and that's it. And if that doesn't fix your problem, then go to settings, apps, and then apps again, and then click WhatsApp business and go to permissions, and now go to storage, click allow, and then go to storage here and click clear cache, and then just click force stop. Now restart your phone and try again and your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.